Guys, today we're going to talk about the mobile gaming feature on TikTok. Can you see that? I tried doing screen share, but it doesn't let me because their app's different. So basically, I unlocked this thing at the bottom saying mobile gaming. I don't know if you can see it. But anyways, I'm on mobile gaming and I'm going to press live to go live. So check this out, right? Let me just do it from there. Then you say start broadcast. Now it's gonna basically take your screen and you can play games. You're now screen sharing. Viewers can see your content on your screen, including camera, audio notifications, and other alerts. Try switching. Okay, so we're gonna go into focus mode so that alerts don't come up. Come out of the app and open up a game. Check this, yeah? Now how the hell am I gonna talk to people? You won't get no notifications, nothing. So I'm playing this game, right? TikTok, what are you doing? So I'm playing this game, but I might just play it on my own. You can't engage with your audience on TikTok because that's it. It won't send you no notification, nothing. Look, we're playing this, right? Keep playing. Keep going. Watch, keep watching, keep watching. Right, yep. I'm not even looking at the screen. That was an advert. But yeah. So now I'm going to go back to the app. We've got 3 viewers, right? What's up, people? How you doing? So we got 3 viewers. But we can't even talk to them. Because TikTok didn't use their brain. They need to change that. So I'm going to end that live now. Look, we got 3 viewers or whatever. Okay. So they've released a gaming feature that makes no sense. There's no sense in the gaming feature. You're playing on a screen. Your audience can't see you. They can hear you. You can't see any of the comments. It makes no sense. Comment below what you lot think about that feature. Let me know what you lot think, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.